Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP Victim Gaming 16. So first of all, open any browsers to type Google search box like that. Okay, then first go to right click to new tab. Okay, you can see your laptop, choose operating system which is using. Okay, and then scroll down. All driver is there, so you can see audio driver and all. So lot of driver you can see here, but this is not required. Install basic driver. So install audio is selected, then graphic card, try to this one nvidia. If you are facing some issues in nvidia, so you can install amd driver also. Okay, so this one, so try to this one first. Okay, keyboard mouse, so install touchpad, select this, and driver, this is LAN driver, this is Wi-Fi driver, and this is Bluetooth driver. So you can see which is I am select. Okay, after that you can see all selected drivers showing here. You can just one click to download the all driver. Okay, it will, you can download this, click on this, then one by one download. And next, how to install it. So just simple click to set up one by one all the drivers. Just click to next, next, accept, and next, next to install it. Okay, so after that you install all driver one by one. After that you restart your system. Okay, thank you.